25 grams of protein in 100 grams of leaves. That's more protein than most meat. But you've been throwing these leaves away your entire life, never knowing they contain more healing compounds than the fruit itself. For 7,000 years, the Aztecs and Incas knew something we forgot. They didn't just eat the avocado fruit, they ate the leaves. Modern science is now catching up to what ancient civilizations understood about this hidden superfood. But here's what nobody tells you about which leaves are safe to eat. Only one variety works, the Mexican avocado tree called Persea americana drymifolia. Guatemalan varieties contain toxic compounds. Mexican varieties contain healing ones. These leaves contain two compounds that pharmaceutical companies are studying intensively, pinene and limonene. Both have been shown to fight cancerous tumors and provide chemoprotective properties. Nature created the medicine first. Here's the number that should shock you. These leaves contain 25 grams of protein per 100 grams. That's higher than chicken breast, higher than eggs, higher than the avocado fruit itself. Plant-based protein that builds muscle, repairs tissue, and creates hormones. Mexican traditional cooks have been brewing these leaves for blood sugar control for centuries. Steep them in hot water for 10 minutes. The resulting tea helps control blood sugar levels and reduces diabetic complications. For asthma sufferers, there's an ancient remedy. Boil 7 leaves with 3 cups of water until reduced by half. The pinene compound opens airways and improves lung function. Drink before sleep for clearer breathing. Don't be put off by their appearance. These leaves have galls on the undersides that look unappetizing, but those bumpy sections contain concentrated healing compounds. What looks ugly holds the most medicine. Mexican cuisine uses these leaves as garnish over quesadillas and in salsa. You can eat them fresh in salads, stir-fry them like spinach, or dry them into tea bags. One ingredient, endless applications. For skin problems, mash fresh leaves into a paste. Apply for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing with warm water. The antioxidants reduce acne, swelling, and irritation naturally. Your skin gets medicine, not chemicals. The GABA-boosting compounds in avocado leaf tea calm anxiety and promote relaxation. It's nature's anti-anxiety medication without side effects. Your brain gets the calm it needs to function clearly. Here's the critical warning most people don't know. Never use Guatemalan avocado leaves, they contain toxic chemicals. Always use Mexican variety drymifolia. Always consult your healthcare professional. Natural doesn't always mean safe for everyone. Traditional African medicine uses these leaves to treat childhood epilepsy where modern medication isn't available. By boosting neurotransmission, they help reduce seizures naturally. Ancient wisdom meeting modern understanding. These leaves reduce appetite and increase satiety without causing nausea. They make you feel full naturally, supporting healthy weight loss. Your body gets satisfied, not starved. 7,000 years ago, ancient civilizations knew what we're just rediscovering. Those 25 grams of protein per 100 grams weren't just nutrition, they were medicine. Maybe it's time we started eating like our ancestors, knew something we forgot.